I too love this man of God preaching. I can't preach because not be after we don't vote on the car, they don't intervene because they say declare how many prayer and fasting for them. Those ones not the other prayer are waste of stamina. No they waste of your stamina. Now you're supposed to be fast on that time so that you will get sense when you want to go vote. You vote for the right person, you say you I really love this man of God preaching. It's serious. But no one.
Been religiously enslaved will say, I am not talking like a Christian. Can you imagine? Stupidity is when you keep doing the same thing and expect a different result. What am I trying to say? Jesus will never fix Nigeria for us. He has never fixed any country for anyone. He will never come down to do the work he has empowered you to do. Man is a free will agent who chooses his fate by his actions. So I beg you in God's name, stop praying for God to fix Nigeria. When you will still gladly choose your criminal tribesman or religious man over a credible leader, then by January 11th you will start a 61-day dry fast for God to magically change Nigeria. Only Nigerians can fix Nigeria. The Chinese fix China. Americans fix America. Australians fix Australia. Spiritualizing Nigeria's problems when we know they are man-made will never take us anywhere reasonable. Telling people that God will fix Nigeria makes them avoid their responsibility to demand a better nation because they believed you. The hard truth is, God will never come down to demand your rights as citizens. If you choose to suffer till death, God won't stop you either. Teach this truth instead of declaring 3 months of fasting and prayer for a better Nigeria. You do this prayer all the time, yet Nigeria has been on rapid decline. God is not deaf, it is you who is ignorant. Prayer without action is useless. The funny thing is that it is still the same people who voted the criminals into government because of their selfish, religious, or tribal interests. They are still the ones that will come for the fasting and prayer